Hello. My name is Maria, and I am the proud owner of a small beauty products store. I want to share with you how the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint completely changed the way I conduct my online advertising campaigns and transformed the success of my business. Since I opened my store, I have faced various challenges in the world of digital marketing. Keeping up with changes in the meta algorithm has always been a real puzzle for me. I constantly found myself fighting against the algorithm, instead of working with it to get the results I desired. That's when I discovered the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint, and everything started to make sense. This course simplified the entire process of creating and executing advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram in a way I had never experienced before. With step-by-step instructions and specific strategies for my beauty products sector, I finally found the direction I had been searching for. What impressed me the most was how easy it was to implement the strategies presented in the course. In just 20 minutes, I was able to set up my first campaign with total confidence, following the detailed instructions provided in the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint. It has never been so simple to create ads that really work. Additionally, the lessons on how to work in harmony with the meta algorithm were truly eye-opening. Instead of fighting against it, I learned to use the algorithm's features to my advantage, resulting in a significant increase in the reach and engagement of my ads. But what really made a difference for me were the tangible results I obtained after implementing the course strategies. In just 30 days, I saw an impressive increase in sales at my beauty products store. Revenue increased considerably, and I finally felt like I was on the right track to achieve my business goals. If you are facing the same challenges I faced, don't hesitate to try the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint. This course completely changed the trajectory of my business, and I'm sure it can do the same for you. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your digital marketing approach and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. So, what are you waiting for? Join me and thousands of other entrepreneurs who are achieving incredible results with the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint. Don't waste any more time fighting against the algorithm. It's time to work with it and achieve the success you deserve. Click the link below to get immediate access to the course and start your journey to success today. I can't wait to see what the Facebook Ads Jumpstarter blueprint can do for your business. Let's reach new levels of success together.